Boys and girls, boys and brothers, men and women, all the viewers, welcome back to another video. The lack of videos on my channel is the lack of motivation in my mind. Although I'm trying to give motivations in my socials these days, I'm uploading motivational videos like workout videos, mainly focused on, otherwise it's overall life motivational videos, motivational quotes. So now it's 8:30 a.m. in the morning and I'm going for a morning ride with this R15 version 3. Still one of the coolest bikes in the country. And of course many updated versions have come out like R15 version 4 or R15M or the other 250cc stuff. But this bike has its special charm. Anybody who rode it cannot deny the fact that it is still, in 2025, one of the coolest bikes in this country. But it's not actually my bike, it's my brother's, and he lives in the city, so I don't get to ride this bike very often. But I don't make videos with this bike as much as I should because of the lack of motivations. But I rode this bike a lot, like 10,000 or 15,000 kilometers in total maybe. And as much as I like to ride this bike, there have still some cons of riding a sports bike in Bangladesh, and some of the cons are some body pains and wrist pains because of this shape, aerodynamic shape. So you have to be passionate enough to ride this bike on a regular basis. I did a lot of videos with this bike, but due to lack of motivation and lots of laziness, I couldn't edit those videos. But from now on, I will try to upload as much videos as I can. So with a very little cons, this bike has few more pros. Like it's one of those bikes which is the best of both worlds, like look wise and performance wise. So you can't simply deny the beauty of this bike and the performance of this bike. Although it's 160 cc's, its performance and the throttle response are amazing, superb. And everyone stares at this bike all the same, like it's a super bike or something. So you guys might have noticed by now, sarcastically, that I'm only speaking in English. Through my videos is the only way I get to show my skills of speaking the language of the mass, the international language. Although my accent doesn't sound very much cool as it sounds in my head. And it's just because I don't have anyone to converse with in English. It's like embarrassing for me and the other person also, because not every other person knows English in this country very well. I have done a few videos earlier fully in English and some of you guys have liked it. So I have the motivation to make more of my videos in English. Every time I increase the throttle, it's like a unique feelings that only bikers can feel when the bike just takes off. You just feel like nothing else matters. Only the passionate bikers would know what I'm talking about. I mean, biking is the passion that I want to follow until the last breath of my life. And as much as the gym training that I've been doing for a few months and been passionate about for a few months. So going to the gym for an hour a day has given me a new perspective in life, given me the motivation that I needed, that my body and my mind need, and be the absolute best version of myself. So I'm gonna go to the gym now and have some workouts. I will put in some clips for you if it's convenience for me when I'm editing. And another main reason that I don't make many videos is because of my voice. I hate my voice. It's like I'm gonna vomit when I hear my own sound on the recording. Many of you probably can relate this. You don't simply like your own voice. It's disgusting to hear. I mean, it sounds cool in your head, but when you hear your voice in recording, it just feels disgusting, dude. And that's the main reason I have trouble editing the videos, because I have to hear the voice of my own. Anyways, I'm gonna end this video now. I hope you guys maybe like the videos, and if you do, please do subscribe to the channel and follow this page. I will see you in the next video with some new thoughts and new ideas. Until then, be safe, ride safe, and peace.